This video will demonstrate not only how to do an amortization table, but also how to make it dynamic. So let's put in the following information. Let's suppose that you're going to take out a mortgage, or actually start off this way. Suppose you're going to buy a home, $500,000, and you're going to put down a down payment of 20%, which means that you're going to take a mortgage for 80% of that. So B1 equals B1 times 1 minus the 20%, which is 80% of the 500,000 or 400,000. We have an interest rate of 3.5%. The number of how it's periodic, this is going to be monthly. Rate then. So I'll call this rate the APR. So then the actual interest rate will be 3.5 divided by 12. Years, like this 30 years. So then we have number of payments will be equal to the 12 times 30. And see if there's anything else at this stage. So then we actually probably want to know what the payment is. So we use the payment function, put in the rate, number of periods, and then the present value. There's our payment. So now for this, we'll do our period number, the beginning balance, the interest payment, or the interest portion, I should say. So the interest portion, the principal portion, and the ending balance. What I'm actually also going to do here, in case you want to change this or you have different payments, I'm going to put in a payment column. So our periods, this is where this will be dynamic. So sequence, and we'll just put in 360. You'll see that carries down. If that number were different, let's say just 5, you can see that it dynamically changes, which is very nice. Okay, so our beginning balance is the 400,000. Our payment, I'll put equal minus the payment here because I'll have positive numbers. And we're going to anchor that because in this case it's going to stay the same. The interest portion is equal to the beginning balance multiplied by the actual APR, well, let's say, excuse me, the interest rate for that period. And we'll anchor. So then the principal portion is equal to the difference in the payment and the interest. Make this dollar sign too. So then our ending balance is the beginning balance less the principal. The beginning balance for period 2 is the ending balance, period 1. Now I will send that down. Payment, interest portion, all the rest of this, I'll double click and send it down. So if I scroll all the way down, should say roughly 0, which I do. And note here, so let me do this. So note that your principal that you start paying off is much more than the interest in your final payment. And if you're curious as to when you've paid half the mortgage off, it's not 15 years in. It turns out that it's 2/3 of the way in. So between payment 225 and 226. And that's just because of compound interest and the time value of money. So using this particular thing, you can change payments and see what would happen, like you're trying to pay off something early, or if you make additional payments, or if you make payments that are different than the periodic payment, what happens to your mortgage.